Hi, I'm Myra Ferguson for Ajar Productions, and in this video I'd like to show you how to create a pop-up ad. Here's what it looks like. When I go to the page, the ad appears in a pop-up over the main content. When I click the Close button, the pop-up goes away. Let's jump over to InDesign to see how to make the pop-up ad. I've got my content set up on a page and I'm ready to add the ad. The easiest way to make the pop-up is to have in5 make it automatically with the pop-up builder. I'll go to in5, Build Wizards, Pop-up Builder. I'll use dark for the UI color and keep the dialog box set to small. Drop shadow, rounded corners, and applying object styles all sound good, so I'll leave them selected. And I'll click Build It. What in5's Pop-up Builder does is use InDesign features, rectangles, a button, and a multi-state object, otherwise known as an MSO, to create an MSO for you on a separate layer. If we look at the MSO in the Object States panel, you'll see that it has two states, an empty state and a state for the content on a state named Pop-up. The Pop-up state is where we can place our ad. Because the elements that make up the pop-up are InDesign objects, you can modify them to look however you like. If we take a look at the Close button in the Buttons and Forms panel, then we see that it has a Go to State action applied that switches to the empty state. Let's go back to the Object States panel to make one change. Let's switch the object states so that the pop-up content is what appears first. Let's export by going to in5, Export HTML5 with in5. And here's our ad over our content. And when we're done viewing it, we can close it. If I advance to the next page and go back, you'll see that the pop-up ad appears again. If you'd like to make the ad only appear once within a document, you can apply the following code to the JavaScript portion of the Resources section of the Export dialog and re-export. We'll put this code in the description so you can copy and paste it. And here's how that looks. We'd love to hear in the comments about the pop-up ads that you're creating for your in5 exported content. Thanks for watching.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and be sure to check out in5 at in5.us. Thanks so much for watching.